So today I'm going to show you how to make smoothie bowls, and I'm doing the blue magic powder, which is blue spirulina, and but I'm doing it a little differently. I'm making them into smoothie cubes so that it's convenient and ready to go for anyone in my family that wants to whip a smoothie bowl up. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you hit the bell and select all, you'll get notifications whenever I post new videos. So to make the smoothie cubes, we are going to take half of a fresh pineapple. I chopped it up, peeled it, chopped it up, and we're going to take two. Well, these are gigantic bananas, but if you have smaller bananas, you can use 3 bananas. And then I have some organic mango chunks. These were frozen, but I've used fresh too. So you want the pineapple and the mango to equal about 5 cups, and then along with your 2 or 3 bananas. We also have 1 can of organic coconut milk, regular. We're just gonna pour that whole thing in there. And we're gonna boost the protein in here, so I'm gonna take my Muscle Power by Your Super, and I'm gonna put 2 or 3 heaping, whoops, being messy here, tablespoons of that. And then we have what makes this whole thing the magic blue, our organic blue spirulina powder. So the difference between blue spirulina and the regular green spirulina that you see is that the blue spirulina has, it's the water-soluble phycocyanin that's extracted from the green spirulina, and it takes out that sort of like seaweed, fishy flavor, and you're left with this beautiful, natural blue color, if you can believe it. It's like unbelievable. So you don't need too much. I'm gonna put a tablespoon in here to make it really blue. And then you just whirl that up. It's the most beautiful color. So you wanna choose fruit that is not going to be red, or you want to choose like neutral colors. That's why we're using mango and banana and pineapples. They're kind of like, they don't have a lot of color to them. Eight cubes for 1 serving, and for a smoothie bowl, it is 1/3 cup of plant-based milk or any kind of milk, and then if you want a smoothie, it's 1 cup of milk. So it's ready to go. You just have to add the liquid. Cover on, and I like this because it's sort of like an ice cream consistency. This makes a great breakfast, or like one of my sons likes to have it instead of ice cream as dessert, because it is like ice cream. Okay. Done. The fun part is you got your toppings. So whatever toppings you like. Granola is a great topping. Here's my granola recipe if you want. And you can do it with your hands or just do it with a spoon. I've got granola. Some good ideas are cacao nibs, if you want to do some of those. Sprinkle that on. Organic shredded coconut. A little fruit, of course. I've got these gorgeous, look at the size of these, blackberries. Throw that on there. Some banana slices. Make make it look really pretty. I've got, what do I have? These are dried goji berries and golden berries. I'm gonna throw some of those on. And of course, my favorite, hemp seeds, loaded with protein and antioxidants. And then one of my favorite mixes is chocolate lover, and that is a great one to go right on top. I'm almost done with this. Maybe a couple more berries. And there you have it. You can also make pink smoothie cubes by swapping out the blue spirulina with dry pitaya powder, and has a really vibrant, pretty color. It's from dragon fruit. I hope you'll make your own make-ahead smoothie cubes to make a beautiful smoothie bowl in a flash. For more healthy recipes and to see my ancient grain products, please visit enjoyithealthy.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day.